Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back again to Susan Best TV. Guys, if you want to know how I made this delicious or yummy pizza, just watch this video till the end. Guys, as usual, I'm going to explain it. I'm just going to explain how I made the pizza and you can just enjoy the rest of the video. Okay, like I like making the pizza myself. Like I know what I used, I know how I made it. So when I'm giving it to my children, I won't be so scared, I prefer to make than to buy. Let's just put it that way. So now I'm going to be using 1 cup of warm water. Okay, not hot water, guys, warm water. So after adding that, here is my extra virgin oil. You can choose any oil you want. Okay, after that, here is my fresh yeast. I'm not going to be using dry yeast. I'm going to be using fresh one. But if you have dry yeast, you can also use. Okay, so we're going to dissolve the yeast in the water. Make sure it's dissolved very well. Then after you dissolve it so well, then that is when you will now add your, if it's olive oil, vegetable oil, any oil you have. All right, this is my 3 teaspoons of oil. So I'll be adding into the water. So when I'm done, I'm just going to mix it a little. Then I'll start adding my flour. Okay. So one thing I also learned is one yeast go with one how do I say it? Is it bag of flour? Like this. This is just new. So it goes together. You don't have to add to the flour or remove from the flour. So I'm going to be using one full flour because they goes together. So the yeast will not be too much or the flour will not be too much. So this is the quantity that I need to cover the yeast. So after I mix the dough, I'm going to be adding the flour bit by bit to get the mix that I want. So after I'm done with it, I've achieved what I want. That is when I just want to explain to you guys so that you guys can just enjoy the view from there. Okay, so when I'm finished with the mix, guys, there is something I forgot to add to it. Have you ever experienced it? You when you finish cooking, you find that you forgot to add something. That is salt. I didn't add salt to the water before I start adding my flour. So I add it later, like coffee spoon, okay, like half teaspoon. All right, um, guys, it came out so well. The salt was not too much, was not too little. All right, so after that, I'm going to cover it for at least 1 hour. Okay, here is how it is after 1 hour. So after this now, I'm just going to put the dough on the floor and start on my table, I don't know what to call it, and start kneading it a little before I will cut out the one I want to use. So I'm not going to be using all the flour or the dough because it's too much. All right, so I will be using it like 3 to 4 times because I'm going to be taking quarter out of it. All right, I like to do it and I stock it in the fridge so that I will just, whenever I want to make pizza for my children, we just take it out and cut it. And yeah, voila. So fast for me to do. All right, as you all know, I like to stock things in the fridge so that when they need something to be very easy and very fast for me to do. So this is the quarter I cut out of it, and I'm just going to keep doing it and just watch it and see how I did it. So I just wanted to know that is the things that I use extra virgin oil, flour, yeast. I think that was all. Okay, guys, thank you so much, and I appreciate your support. And also, if you like what I'm doing here, guys, if this is your first time of seeing my video, coming across my video, and you like what I'm doing here, consider to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also follow my page at Susan LG and Susan Best TV and also Elegant Gist. Thank you so much, guys. And turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I drop a new video. So now is this the time I have to lay it in the pan. So what I did before I put this baking paper, I put water in the pan. All right, if you see the color, because I put water in the pan before I spread the paper on it. It is very important, guys. Okay. Then after that, I use 200-degree in my oven. Okay, my oven is already on as I'm mixing my dough right now. It's on already, so I'll just finish it and add just put it in the oven. So another thing that I did, guys, I don't have to make the sauce myself. So I just went to supermarket. I bought a cup of pizza sauce. Yeah, this is pizza sauce. It's written there, pizza sauce. All right, so you don't need to just go and be making yours. It's very nice. All right, so after putting it, then I had cheese to eat. You can add whatever you want to do, and I will be making more of this pizza with different method. Okay, so all of us, the people that also don't know how to do it, and they want to know how to do it so that they can learn. So this is the cheese I will be adding to it for now. And before I will not start putting, okay, just enjoy the video, watch and see. Okay, thank you so much, guys. Don't forget to tell me what you think in the comment section. I will really be glad to see your message. Thank you so much, and give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you, and God bless you. I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.